Yes, once again, here we are to discuss the variety of match and index formula. To remind you, we said match and index formula was as follows. First, list the lower limits: 0, 21, the most common one, 41, 61, and 81. The grades are A, B, C, D, and F. With the normal index and match formula, the formula was, we start with the equal sign, then index, the array. Here is where our possible answers are. You highlight here where the possible answers are, because we are in need of grading these marks. Then you locate it by pressing F4 on the keyboard, comma. How do we reach here with these answers? We have to match. We have to match what? The lookup value, this marks. Then this marks should be matched with these ones, the lower limits one. Then you lock with the F4, the keyboard. Then you close the brackets with two closing brackets. Then the marks is, the grade is B, simply as such. Now, the challenge with this one is, if this table array is disturbed in whatever way, let's say somebody has deleted it, there's no place to refer. This is the challenge. Now, with this discussion, I want us to discuss the other index and match formula, in which the grade ranges will be built within the formula, whereby no one will have a chance to disturb the grade ranges in whatever way. Then the formula will be as follows. Let's start. Start with equal sign, then indexed. The index is, we have to list the grade of responses, the set of responses. These grades should be listed within the formula as follows, in the same order, starting with the lowest one to the highest one. So with the quotation mark. Then means that this set of references, the answers should be in curved brackets. You open the curved brackets, then you start F, comma, the following one D, comma, the next one C, comma, the other one B, comma, and the last one is A. We've exhausted them. Then we close with this curved bracket, like this one, comma. Then how do we reach to a certain kind of answer here, grade? This should be reached by matching. Matching what? This value. Now, this value should match with a certain number to reach a conclusion for a certain grade. And these are our lower limits. These lower limits should be listed within the formula as follows. And this set will be written within the curved brackets, like this way. So we start with the first lower limit, 0, second one, 21, third one, 41, comma, then 61, comma, and the last 81. Then I close this set with the curved brackets like this way. Then I have to close with the normal brackets, where this one I opened here and failed to close. So the first one will close with this one, and the second one will close with this one. Then close the first one and close the second one. If I press enter, this is the other alternative for index and match formula, whereby the grade ranges and the possible answers are within the formula. With this formula, even if a person deletes this range, the formula will stay there without any disturbance because the grade ranges are inbuilt within the formula. Now, what if I wanted the grades, the comments? The comments, the story is so easy. We come where we wrote the grades, we write the comments. This is poor, and this is weak, this is average, and this is good, and lastly, this is excellent. Then I press enter, then the comments have been written there that much properly. This is the other alternative for index and match value, where the grade ranges have been inbuilt within the formula, so as when it appears any challenge to this set of data, the table array has been disturbed in whatever way, the formula will remain intact because the ranges are inbuilt within the formula. There's nothing to worry because they will be inbuilt within the formula. I once again welcome you for the improvements of the index and match formula, other improvements. For the next video, I want to welcome you. If you've got any query, something to ask, to add, to give a challenge, you contact me with this formula, samasika@gmail.com. We can share and expand our knowledge on Excel to computing these data. Thank you once again and welcome to the next video. Get prepared. Thank you.